This is elevator 1 at Extra Space Storage in Larimer, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a Schindler 3300 from 2016. Kind of worn already, basement. Where do they have a 3300 regular for a storage place? Here we go down. With the basement. With the 5. Door close is broken. Doesn't matter anyway. Well, I guess it matters for freshers, but there's a door close in there. Here we go. Here at 5. I'm gonna make sure that doesn't go anywhere. I don't think it's going anywhere. We're gonna make sure. No. Back on 1. It's a basic kind of dark, dirty stainless steel cab. Elevator 2 here is a 3300 XL from 2018. Here back at 1.